So I recently got my hands on the Pixel 6 Pro. So here are a few things that I like and a few things not so much. Let's go. Okay, the phone looks and feels really nice. The glass is slick and feels expensive, and just overall love the design. I love the way it's really easy and nice to hold, and actually you can use it one-handed quite comfortably. And I really love the way the camera bump just goes across the phone. It looks really good when you're holding it. The screen is great. You've got 120 Hz display, really smooth, and the browsing experience is just excellent overall. I also found the speakers to be quite loud. They're very bassy and vibrant. Here's a quick listen.
As an infamous Butterfingers, I have dropped my fair share of phones. I present Exhibit A, my iPhone 6 that regrettably succumbed to that most cruel of mistresses.
So I've not had much of a chance to test out the cameras properly. I will be doing more tests soon, but here are a few snaps that I've taken so far. Overall, the cameras are good, but not as good as the 12 Pro Max that I've got. But I do really love this leveling up feature, which I haven't seen on other phones. And most importantly, you'll get the early release of Android 13 and early releases of all future updates. So in terms of the drawbacks, the fingerprint reader is really slow. It has improved slightly with the recent Android 13 update, but honestly, not having a Face ID, it just makes the whole unlocking your phone experience really slow. Now, although I love the texture, the color, and the feel of the back of the phone, it is a fingerprint magnet and it's also really slippery, sometimes hard to hold. However, it's not a problem a nice case won't solve. Overall, I also found the settings, the customization, the usability of the phone in terms of its features and what it allows you to do not as great as Samsung phones. I'm coming from a Note 10 Plus, which I really had a good experience with. So overall, I would say not quite there, but honestly, fantastic phone. I enjoy using it. I hope this helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.